Hi everyone, today we're gonna cover the topic of tests. So the first thing is we want to know is what is code coverage. So the concept of code coverage is basically a measure to justify how complete your test cases are. So basically, if you have this bunch of questions, functions, and say your test covers this bunch, so this isn't doing well because it contains only this tiny part of the whole function. The thing you want to do is to satisfy each of this condition and to go into the very deep of this flow, so that the test code covers the whole bunch of the content of the functions. There is a tool called Istanbul, so it allows you to generate the coverage test personally for you. So I have cloned this repo. So if you run this command npm run full test, you can see the branch coverage is 60%. And if you go through this repo, you can see that we just using the compiler stuff to generate a series of constraints, and based on these constraints, we generate a series of tests, which is test.js, something like this. Here we want to do is that we want to instead of rather hard-coded in test.js, we want to modify the constraint so that we can generate the test cases automatically. Because when you when this number changes, like 7 or 0 changes, like when this changes to like 50, your test coverage is still gonna work, right? So here we have this constraint file. Basically, we just use this tool called Esprima. It's a JavaScript syntax compiler. It generates this abstract syntax tree, called, generally known as AST, which covers this AST tree and generate a series of constraints and push it into the function name, into the function constraints. So let me give you a quick example. Like if when we are traversing the node, if we come across a binary expression and we come across the comparison operator, like equal to or not equal to, we just push it into a new constraint. The left hand is just the variable, also the identifier, and the right hand is the right hand value is the thing, the value on the right hand of the operator. So that basically covers all the branches that we have. Also, we have this less than or greater than, something like that. We also push that according value into it, so that more branches will be covered. Also, we have more things that we have more like this generate comparison value and generate black phone number area. These are the helper function that helps you to generate the according parameter, the value of the parameter, so that when this thing changes to like something like that, it still works for the code coverage. So as you can see here, if we change into our the repo we have modified, if we want npm let's see here, We still run against subject.js. If we run npm run full test, yeah, we can see our branches coverage is 96%, which are pretty good. Much better than the 60%. So that's basically all. Thanks for watching.